right, go.
Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these frames. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test, so. All right, guys, this is John and Steve from MasterTech. And today Steve is putting in glass for us and the rubber, the new gasket on a Jeepster Commando here. And then I was just asking Steve a couple pointers and stuff on putting this gasket and this glass in, so he's gonna go over that real quick.
So, to be quite frank, with a brand new gasket on this window, it's tough. It's gonna take a lot of energy, a lot of effort. So it's super tight. So the best way to do it is put the gasket on the glass, start your rope in the bottom, wrap it around, tape it off on the inside, make sure your zipper is on the outside, and then you know, just pull evenly, side by side, plenty of lubrication with glass cleaner, get to each corner, and then to both top corners. Then from that point, you're pretty much home free. Then it's just a matter of working itself inside the gasket. Give it a good pat all the way around to seat it, and then more glass cleaner. Come around with a lace tool or a hook tool, like this guy here, and just come on the back side of it, pulling it like that, and
that's
it'll
the
zip itself out.
Zipper you were talking about,
Yeah.
right? So in the one you took out, they had it backwards,
The one
I
we took
guess?
out, it was backwards, so it was
Okay.
on the inside. And it was not locked in, so it was tight enough to where it was sitting in there good and tight. But if there were ever an accident or anything, I mean, you could push it out by hand without you know, any issues. And to be quite honest with you, I don't see either a way possible to zip it up on the inside. So zipper on the outside for sure. But yeah, other than that, it's just time, effort, and lots of lubrication for it.
Okay. And then again, that's MasterTech who put the glass and the rubber in for us. The rubber and the glass you can find on the website there at the JeepsterMan if you need it. So we just thank Steve for his time, and we don't like doing glass in here, so that's why we called them. So thanks for watching.
Thank you.
That's pretty good, dude. It just fired right up.
Good job. That's not
That's a rod. No, he's tapping.
Oh my God! Terrible.